For the past year, the story has been the same. Enterprise AI is failing. MIT published this study in July 2025 saying 95% of AI pilots deliver zero return. It's the wrong diagnosis. We got technology that can turn a month of analysis into a board deck in 15 seconds. The models work. So why isn't the money coming back? AI isn't the problem. The architecture around it is. Two things are choking enterprise AI right now. Neither is the model. Human understanding, AI produces output at machine speed. A person can't read, check, and act on everything it generates. You can't train your way out of that. There isn't enough brain in the room. Verification. The AI doesn't know what's true in your business, which data is real, what rules apply, what's confidential. Every time it generates something, a human has to chase it down and check. That's not using AI. That's babysitting it. Both are architectural problems, not people problems. And you don't fix architecture with another training course. Most enterprises are running on what I call hope-driven architecture. String something together, prompt until it runs right. Ship it. Hope. It's like putting a Formula One driver in the car, blacking out the visor, and feeding him wrong readings on every instrument. The engine doesn't matter. The car hits the wall. In a business, that wall is a compliance failure, a board deck full of made-up numbers, a product quietly giving wrong answers at scale. And the fix always lands on the same person. Go verify, clean it up, catch the hallucination before the customer does. That's not a skill gap. It's a design gap. The teams getting this right aren't the ones writing longer prompts. They're moving to structured context, packaging what the AI needs to know, the rules, the verified data, the approved procedures, into small, reusable pieces it pulls in when it needs them. The first time that this was proven to work came from an unlikely place. In 2023, a university research team built an AI called Voyager that taught itself to play Mindcraft with no human help. Every time Voyager figured out how to do something, I don't know, build a tool, fight a zombie, it saved that skill. Next time it needed it, it didn't work it out again. It grabbed the one it had. That's how it moved through Minecraft 15 times faster than anything before. The lesson is, making it up as you go along doesn't scale. If you want an AI to be reliable across hundreds of tasks, it needs a library of things it already knows to do it, verified and tested and trusted. Anthropic took this and built it into Claude. They called them skills. A skill is a folder. Inside one file, skills.md says what it is, what's it for, and how to do it. You bundle in whatever the AI needs, scripts, reference documents, the verified version of the thing. And here's the clever part. At the start, the AI only sees the name and a one-line description for every skill you give it. Nothing else loads. When it hits a task that matches, it reaches for the full description. If those points to a subfile, it pulls it in only when you need it. And Anthropic calls it progressive disclosure. The AI carries a table of content, not the whole library. It reads the chapter and it reads and uses what it needs. This is what solves the twin bottleneck. Verification moves to design time. You write one skill and with the verified data and the approved procedure baked in. The AI isn't guessing. It follows a trusted script your team can audit. Context management is handled by the architecture. The AI isn't trying to hold your whole entire business in its head. It pulls exactly what it needs at the right time. And because the verification is built in, the human starts being the last line of defense against all AI mistakes. You get your people back to doing what you want them to do, the strategic thinking. In 2026, smart AI is cheap. What you can't buy, though, off the shelf, is architecture. MIT didn't tell us AI is broken. They told us that enterprises are using it wrong. Treating it like a faster way of doing things is not correct. The ones getting real returns are using it as a reason to rebuild how work happens and restructure the context, the verified skills, and the architecture that carries the load instead of dumping it all on the human. Stop asking the AI team to catch AI's mistakes for you. Stop writing longer prompts to paper over bad design. Build a library, verify the context, let the architecture do the work.